Well, Janmashtami 2023 is scheduled to be celebrated on both 6th and 7th September in India. It is important to note that while the main Janmashtami festivities will take place on Wednesday, 6th September, the Dahi Handi celebrations are set to be held on Thursday, 7th September across the country. You should start preparing for the festival if you are a devotee of Lord Krishna. One should also know the significance and history of Lord Krishna and his life history. Worry not. I'm gonna give you a recap on the life history of Krishna. One of the most revered and multifaceted figures in Hinduism is outlined in various Hindu texts, primarily the Mahabharata, Bhagavad Gita, and Puranas. Well, here's a detailed overview of the major events in his life. Krishna was born in Mathura to King Vasudeva and Queen Devaki. His birth took place in a prison cell where his parents were imprisoned by Devaki's brother, King Kamsa, due to prophecy that Kamsa would be killed by Devaki's 8th son. Following Krishna's birth, there were numerous miraculous occurrences. The prison doors opened on its own. Vasudeva carried the infant Krishna across the Yamuna river to Gokul, where he was placed with foster parents Nanda and Yashoda. Krishna's childhood was marked by various playful and mischievous adventures. He was known for his love for butter. Krishna was also famously known as Makhan Chor and his encounters with demons and other supernatural events. Well, telling you more about adolescence and youth of Lord Krishna. Krishna subdued the serpent Kalya, who had polluted the Yamuna river. This event highlighted Krishna's divine power. Krishna is said to have engaged in the Ras Leela dance, a divine dance with the gopis, which symbolizes his spiritual connection with devotees. Krishna lifted the Govardhan hill on his fingertip to protect the villagers of Gokul from the wrath of Lord Indra's rainstorm. Krishna also played a pivotal role in the Indian epic Mahabharata. He served as a charioteer guide and a counselor to Arjuna, one of the Pandavas' prince, during the Kurukshetra war. In the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna imparts spiritual wisdom and guidance to Arjuna on the battlefield. He explains concepts such as duty, devotion, and selfless action. Krishna later returned to Mathura, where he confronted and defeated his uncle King Kamsa. This marked the end of Kamsa's oppressive rule. Krishna established the city of Dwarka, which became his capital. He married Rukmini and had several other queens and consorts. Krishna rescued Rukmini, his consort, from an arranged marriage with Shishupala by kidnapping her from the marriage ceremony. Krishna defeated the demon Narakasura, who had terrorized the world. This event is celebrated as the festival of Diwali in some regions. Well, after the Great War, Krishna returned to Dwarka. He played a vital role in resolving conflicts among the Pandavas and guiding them as they prepared for their journey to the mountains, symbolizing their departure from the mortal world. Telling you about Krishna's death. In his later years, while meditating in the forest, Krishna was accidentally wounded by a hunter's arrow. He then departed from his mortal form, returning to his divine form. Krishna's life is rich in allegorical, philosophical, and spiritual significance. His teachings in the Bhagavad Gita and his diverse roles make him a central figure in Hinduism, embodying various aspects of divinity, love, wisdom, and cosmic order. Well, happy Janmashtami to everyone celebrating. If you like the information, then do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to One India News.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.